Hi guys, I'm welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me and if you like what you watch, then please consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon Lehenga unboxing. Now this is one such Lehenga which I was eyeing on for a long time, and every time when I went to order this was out of stock. But finally I've ordered it and got my product. So without wasting time, let's see how the product is. It came in this huge Amazon package. Now I don't think so I'll have to talk about how Amazon does its packaging. So let's straight away go into how the product looks. So this is the product. It came in this Ziploc bag, which I think is really nice. And let me open this up. First of all, let's see the blouse fabric. Here is the fabric. This is how it looks. It comes in this blue color and has like a mustard yellow stripes going on. It's like a basic simple design. There's nothing fancy about this, and the fabric was written as raw silk, whereas it's more of rayon. And in the picture, if you compare, it's not like mustard yellowish stripes going on. It's more of glittery sequins or something, whereas it's just a plain fabric here. And again, the fabric shown in the picture is a little shiny, whereas this is like a normal fabric. And they are provided around 0.80 meter of fabric for your blouse, but they have included this lace. It's just the navy blue colored lace, which has like golden copperish color sequence, which I think is nice, which will go on your sleeve part or the neck design. However you want, you can get it stitched. I'm not really impressed by the blouse fabric. Next, coming to the skirt. Now coming to the skirt part, this is how the skirt looks. It has like three different designs, but it has like this waist strip. Again, it's like the same lace sequence going on. And then comes this steel green colored part. Next is the same blouse design, striped blouse design, and the lowest part of it has like a floral design, which is like navy blue color and like has floral design. Again, in the pictures, this horizontal lines and the flower or floral design has sequence, whereas this is just like a normal fabric. Again, the fabric was written as raw silk and it is more of rayon fabric. There is nothing really fancy about this. And then they've given this lining, which is soft and nice. And the pleating is really nice. They have really made it very nicely. And the stitching again is nice and neat. You will not see any threads hanging here and there, though I'm not really a big fan of this fabric because it's really simple. And now about the length, I think there is around 3 meter of flare length, and the vest might fit up to 44, but I would tell this is best for around 42 inches of waist only. And there is no can attached, so you will have to get another can attached while you are getting it stitched, so that it gives you that flare round shape. Next, coming to the dupatta, this is how the dupatta looks. It comes in this navy blue color. Soft net is the material, and they've given the same copper sequence border. Again, the stitching is nice and neat, and they've provided around 2.75 meter of fabric for your dupatta. And next, coming to the price, the original price was around 7,000 something, and I got it for 3,500, which I think is too much for this lehenga. Now coming to the price, the actual price was 7,000 rupees and the discounted price was 3,600 rupees, which I think is too much for this. the best price would have been between 1000 to 1500 only. And this does not look like what it is shown in the picture, though the color gradation is the same, but there is no sequence or glittery thing going on. And even the fabric used is entirely different from what it is written in the picture or the display picture. And there is no cancan attached, so you'll have to wear something underneath it to make that or to give that a lift. So I think it's not really worth the money, and I would like to rate it a 2 out of 5. And that's it guys. I hope you liked today's review. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.